What if you could replicate the dedication and discipline of Cristiano Ronaldo in your financial life? How would that impact your wealth-building journey? Ever wondered what sets Cristiano Ronaldo apart beyond his skills on the field? It's not just about football, it's about a mindset that breeds wealth and success. Ronaldo's commitment to training and self-improvement mirrors the habits needed for financial growth. Much like training for peak performance, financial success requires consistent effort and smart strategies. How can adopting Ronaldo's approach transform your financial future? In this video, we'll dissect principles inspired by Cristiano Ronaldo's mindset. You'll learn actionable strategies to cultivate discipline, make smarter financial decisions, and build long-lasting wealth. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Ready to think like CR7? Let's get started. Number 1. Obsession over motivation. In his early days at Sporting Lisbon, Ronaldo trained solo in empty fields, drenched in sweat while his teammates played video games. He didn't wait for motivation. He was obsessed with getting better. Most people wait to feel motivated. But here's the harsh truth. Motivation is a mood. Obsession is an identity. The wealthiest people in the world? They're not motivated every day. They're obsessed with their goals. What would your life look like if you stopped waiting to feel ready and started living obsessed with your vision? Individuals who are intrinsically obsessed with their goals, who pursue excellence for personal mastery rather than external rewards, are 400% more likely to reach elite levels of success. Create non-negotiable routines and systems that run on obsession, not emotion. Build wealth routines that are boring but effective. Automatic investing, consistent learning, income tracking. Number 2. Turn insecurities into income. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't become a $500 million brand by hiding his insecurities. As a skinny teenager, mocked for his looks and accent in England, he turned every insult into fuel. Instead of running from judgment, he trained harder, performed better, and marketed himself smarter. The guy built a business empire while others were stuck in their heads. If you're waiting to feel confident before building your portfolio or launching that online course, you're doing it backwards. People waste years avoiding visibility, terrified someone will mock their voice, idea, or background. But here's the kicker. Those who embrace their insecurities build audiences, businesses, and brands. Think of an introverted guy who hated public speaking. He starts a finance podcast, shares his journey of paying off $80,000 in debt, and today makes over $250,000 per year through affiliate marketing, dividend stock recommendations, and online courses. He didn't wait to fix his insecurity. He cashed in on it. Document, don't perform. Just share what you're learning. People love real. Turn pain into product. Wealth doesn't come when you feel ready. It comes when you feel raw but willing. But here's what most miss. Transformation only lasts when you're ruthless with one thing. Ronaldo's next secret makes or breaks millionaires. Number 3. Ruthless elimination of distractions. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't become a $500 million brand by multitasking his way through life. He became world-class because he ruthlessly eliminated distractions. While others partied, scrolled, and binged on dopamine, Ronaldo trained, slept on schedule, and prioritized recovery like an asset. If you're serious about building wealth in today's distraction-heavy world, you must start treating your focus like it's a stock portfolio. Protect it, grow it, and never gamble it on junk. Most people fail not because of lack of talent, but because they dilute their attention. They're trying to build wealth while scrolling TikTok, listening to gossip, and saying yes to every $0 value activity. Think about this. Every time you're interrupted by notifications, aimless rabbit holes, or even checking your crypto portfolio 5 times a day, you lose momentum. Here's the harsh truth. The algorithm that made Ronaldo great is the same one that can build your wealth. Eliminate everything that doesn't compound results. Block 90 minutes a day as deep wealth time. No social media, no calls, just pure action on your highest ROI activity, building that dividend income stream, researching index funds, or optimizing your stock portfolio for long-term investing. What if you could get those days back and use them to build your first income-generating asset? In the next point, we'll show how Ronaldo used mirror neurons to accelerate success. Number 5. Mirror the best to become the best. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't reinvent greatness. He mirrored it. Early in his career, he obsessed over the habits of legends like Zidane, Luis Figo, and even studied Muhammad Ali's mindset. He mimicked their routines, their discipline, their obsession, and then added his own twist. Most people make the mistake of trying to figure everything out on their own. But in the world of wealth, success leaves footprints. The fastest way to financial growth isn't trial and error, it's intelligent imitation. In Tools of Titans, Tim Ferriss writes, "If someone has done it, you can reverse engineer how. Want to build a six-figure dividend income? Mirror those who've already done it. Want to scale your stock portfolio? Mirror those who've mastered asset allocation and tax-efficient investing." People idolize the rich but never internalize their systems. Warren Buffett mirrored Benjamin Graham's investing principles, especially the concept of value investing. Want wealth? Stop guessing. Start mirroring. Just like CR7. But copying only works when you protect your uniqueness too. Ronaldo never let imitation erase his edge. Let's talk about how to do that financially. Number 6. Build your signature play. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just known for scoring goals. He's known for how he scores them. The famous Ronaldo chop, his lethal free kicks, the explosive step-overs, these aren't random. They are signature plays, mastered through repetition until they became unstoppable. Now, apply this to wealth. Most people hustle without strategy. They're dabbling in affiliate marketing, trying crypto, watching stock tips, but have no signature money-making skill. Want to stand out in the crowded world of content, investing, or business? Then build your signature play, a monetizable strength that becomes your personal brand. Want a practical move? Identify what people already ask you about: budgeting, money mindset, crypto, whatever. Double down, learn, package it, teach it, sell it. Find the overlap with what people pay for: investing help, financial coaching, portfolio reviews. What's your Ronaldo free kick? What's the move that, if you ran it every day, could make you $10K per month? Number 7. Turn criticism into fuel. There's a story from Ronaldo's early Manchester United days. After a frustrating match, a teammate reportedly told him, "You're all stepovers and no substance." For many, that would have crushed their spirit. For Ronaldo, it was fuel. He went back to the training ground, refining every move, not just for flair, but impact. Months later, he scored 2 match-winning goals. No stepovers, just precision. Criticism is inevitable, but how you process it decides your wealth trajectory. Dissect the feedback. Ask, what truth can I extract? What can I do better? Let it sharpen you, not shrink you. Criticism can be fuel. The worst critics are often the greatest motivators, if we can manage our ego. Number 8. Build a circle that multiplies you. When Ronaldo moved to Juventus, he did something subtle. He requested 2 things: a chef and a performance mentor, not just for training but mindset. But more than that, he surrounded himself with winners. Why? Because average is contagious. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't rise to the top alone. Behind the scenes, he built a circle that sharpened him, pushed him, and multiplied his performance. From elite coaches to nutritionists to mindset trainers, every person in Ronaldo's inner circle added multiplicative value. Most people hang around others who subtract from their ambition, friends who gossip, complain, or binge on entertainment but never talk about ETFs, dividend income, or building a retirement portfolio. Audit your top 5 people. Are they helping you grow wealth or burn time? Replace gossip groups with growth groups. Follow those who talk about building wealth, not flexing it. Your inner circle is either a wealth accelerator or a brake. The rich don't work for money. They create assets that work for them. Let's bring it home. You don't have to be a football star. You don't need 1 million followers. What you need is Ronaldo's mindset. Act like your future net worth is watching your every move. Want more deep, original wealth content like this? Then subscribe to You Are Wealthy, your personal finance playbook for legendary growth. Hit like and share this video to your soccer lover friend. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.